Best way to file previous years. Let's read this. My cousin hasn't filed her taxes since 2021. I'm trying to help her with all this. She's had W-2 jobs and has a son, so she would likely be receiving refunds for each year. What's the best way to go about this? Trying to avoid CPAs. Okay. All right. No offense taken. And places like H&R Block. I file my taxes through TurboTax. Did a quick Google and won't be able to e-file. We'll have to print them out and mail it. Okay. Well, I mean, if you went to a CPA, they could e-file the last 3 years, but you know what? I'm going to CPA, fine. What's the best way to go about all this? Should we e-file 2025 and then work on the previous years, or do the previous years first? I don't want her refunds to get held up because trying to get them out of that is hell. I almost don't want to answer this because I'm a CPA. But anyway, like, look, the best way to go about it is to ask her to give you all her tax docs, right? Figure out, obviously you need her and her son's name. You probably know the name, date of birth, social security number, right? Whether she paid for any child care for the child. And if you're doing it in TurboTax, it should kind of ask you these questions. Now, in terms of the tax documents, she may not have all her tax documents since 2021. You could help her set up an account at irs.gov, pull her wage and income transcripts, pull her account transcripts. One thing to watch out for 21 or 22 is if she got the stimulus checks, right? Because you could still claim a recovery rebate credit for any unreceived stimulus checks. Sorry, not 21, 22. That's 20 and 21. 20 is inconsequential here because it's not in the scope. But 2021, see if she got that third stimulus check, right? If she didn't, she could claim it, or to the extent she didn't get all of it, right? Let's say she got it for herself but not her son. To the extent she didn't get a stimulus check she was entitled to, she could possibly claim it as a recovery rebate credit on her 2021 tax return if she qualifies. And then, input all that stuff in the software. I guess TurboTax, you can only do the last tax year e-filing. You can print them out, mail them. You can do them out of order, if you'd like. Just make sure that you account properly for any carry forwards from one year to the next. Sound like her situation may be fairly simple if she just W-2 with a dependent. Not really any real complexity there. And then, look, about e-filing, if you're using a retail software that could only e-file 25 and you're confident there's no carry forwards from previous years that would affect the 25 return, you could e-file 25 now so she gets her refund now, right, for that instead of like waiting for it. And then, paper file the previous years. That should be fine. So now they may send a notice after you, let's say you do that. Let's say you e-file 2025 to get that refund. They may send you a notice, like a CP63 or something like that, saying they're holding a refund until you file the previous years. If that's the case, tough luck. They don't send that to everybody, right, who files a return requesting a refund with unfiled returns in previous years, but sometimes they send out that CP63. They generally only send it out if they think that there's going to be taxes owed for one or more of those previous unfiled years. If she's W-2 and sufficiently withheld, and plus she's got a dependent, she'll probably be in a refund position, But you never know. You never know what could happen. So, that's the general sense of this, folks. I have so many videos about how to do unfiled tax returns, how to do back taxes. I have a couple of those here for you right here on the screen. If you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns that you need to get filed, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. To get that free consultation, give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to Choice Tax Relief, fill out the form on the website, and we'll reach out to you.